In this video, we are going to discuss about types of rock. A rock is a solid mass of minerals that makes up the earth crust. Rocks are made up of one or more minerals that have been fused together by natural process. They can vary in color, size and the texture. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed due to melted rock deep inside the earth. It is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Igneous rock may form either below the surface as intrusive rock or on the surface as extrusive rock. On the basis of this, there can be two types of igneous rocks: intrusive igneous rocks and the extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks crystallize below the Earth's surface, resulting in large crystal as a cooling takes place very slowly, while the extrusive igneous rocks erupt onto the surface, resulting in a small crystals as the cooling takes place very quickly. Here are some examples of igneous rocks like gabbro, granite, dacite, kimberlite, basalt and obsidian, etc. Now coming to the sedimentary rocks, they are formed from layers of sand, silts, dead plants and the animal skeletons. These rocks are formed by the deposition and subsequent cementation of that material within bodies of water or at the surface of the earth. These rock types can be of three: scholastic sedimentary rocks, chemical sedimentary rocks and third, organic sedimentary rocks. The scholastic sedimentary rocks are formed from the mechanical weathering of debris, while the chemical sedimentary rocks are formed from the dissolved material that precipitate from the solution, while the organic sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation of plants and animal debris. Here are some examples of sedimentary rocks like slate, schist, gneiss, deformed, conglomerate, marble, eclogite, etc. Now coming to the metamorphic rocks, they are formed from other rocks that are changed by heat and the pressure underground. The metamorphic rocks form deep beneath the Earth's surface, subjected to high temperature and the great pressure of the rock layers above it. Metamorphic rocks arise from transformation of existing rock types in a process called metamorphism, which means change in form. These rocks can be of two types, like foliated metamorphic rocks and non-foliated metamorphic rocks. Foliated metamorphic rocks are produced by exposure to heat and pressure, which makes them appear as layered, while non-foliated metamorphic rocks don't have any layer. Here are some examples of metamorphic rocks like glacial conglomerates, shale, chalk, anthracites or sandstone, etc.